Okay, this is question 40, a follow-up video on the Swiss Cottage 214 Pure Physics Prelim paper. Okay, now if you look at question 40, you notice that actually the magnetic field is relatively smaller than the loop. So what is going to happen is that you are actually passing through wire by wire. So what happens is that at first only the the right side of the loop is passing through this magnetic field. Then after that, as the loop of wire is traveling towards the right side, then the left wire is going to pass through. Okay, so because of this, when the let's give it some name lah. Let's call this A, B, C, D. Okay, so meaning that when wire AB has passed through this magnetic field then is only going to pass through this empty space here. Okay, it's not going to influence the wire in any way until the wire CD pass through this uniform magnetic field. So you would expect that there will be 0 volt as the loop of wire is traveling towards the right. So with this understanding, you can already eliminate C and D. Okay, so the same thing here. Before the wire go into the region of this magnetic field, this magnetic field is not going to influence the wire in any way. So that's why it begins at 0 volt. So now, when this AB is going into the magnetic field, it is going to produce a resistive force to this motion. So the motion is towards the right, so the velocity is towards the right. And you know that, okay, it must produce a force that is resisting the motion here. So using your left hand rule, okay, your north is here, your south is here, right? So your north and south is going this way. You want your force to be this way. It means that the current must flow from A to B. So you know that, okay, my force will be this way. Okay, now let's stop here. Then we look at after that, as it passes through, then it's going to hit the blank space. It's going to be blank. Let's look at the wire CD. So what happens is that when wire CD is passing through, so velocity is here, the resistive force must be in this way. So if you put your finger again, north-south is going to be the same, right? So north-south, so it's going to be this way. Resistive force must be this way. You will notice that, oh, current now is going up. Yeah, so you look at these two diagrams. So when AB is passing through the magnetic field, the current is going in anti-clockwise direction. But when CD is passing through the magnetic field, the current is going to be in clockwise direction. That means the voltage here and the voltage here must be opposite in sign. So you know that your A is wrong, and hence only B satisfied your deduction.